this module, learn how to create a project, convert a quote into a project, and assign time to team members. Create a project by either converting a quote into a project or creating a completely new one. Creating a new project follows the same process as creating a quote. To convert a quote into a project, go to your quotes list and click the View button next to the quote. Click Accept Quote, make any changes on the screen that pops up, then click Accept. This brings you to the New Project screen. The tasks from your quote are shown here. On the right, there are departments and the users within them. One way to schedule resources is to assign time to each user. As you do this, the balance changes on the left. You can also override the user charge rate by clicking on the dollar amount. The global charge rates are available for selection as well as any user-specific charge rates you have set up. Another way to schedule resources is by using the resource scheduler. Enter zeros for each user who will be working on this project so they can still create time entries even if we're unsure of the exact hours at this point. Head to Schedule by Resource. This shows a calendar view of all of our resources and we can drag and drop tasks to them. You can also cycle back to previous days to show what was previously scheduled. Drag and drop tasks from the project we created to a user. If the standard workday set up in the user's setting is 8 hours, each resource assignment will default to 8 hours. You can override this by clicking on the scheduled task and editing the duration. You can drag this task to copy it to other days too. You can also drag up or down to other users by holding down the Control or Command key on your keyboard and dragging. As we set the hours to 0 for this project earlier, there's no charge associated yet. Let's add the charge by clicking the Edit icon next to the task. Click on the arrows under the Match column. The schedule hours will flow back into the project time plan. You can see this if you go to View or Edit the project again. You can now enter time, materials and expenses against this project.